I know. What it's like to be beaten up in a fight. I said stop and gather around because I have something I want to say to you. As you know, in 8 months from now, it will be dead and buried too. And I say, hey, hey, it's Groundhog Day, let's celebrate. I'll bring the cake every February 2nd. Oh yeah, it's Groundhog Day, let's celebrate. Okay, this crowd is way too quiet, and you're all way too spread out. So
Yeah,
why don't
we
you
need everyone
bring
moving
it in here,
in.
please,
Bring it in
and
here.
audience participation. It's just gonna be nuts.
You too, Holly.
Holly Dakota?
Yeah, exactly. That's right, girls. Yeah, you get right in here. In front row seats. There you go, Holly. Go.
Now, here's what we're gonna do. This side of the room, I think this is you three, are gonna say, hey, it's Groundhog Day, let's celebrate, I'll bring the cake. And then this side of the room is gonna say, every February 2nd, it's Groundhog Day, let's celebrate. Okay, so let's see how, okay? Great, great, okay, are you guys ready for your debut? Yeah, okay, let's do it.
It's Groundhog Day, let's celebrate.
Yeah!
Hey, it's another day and we're all gonna celebrate. It's Groundhog Day. I'll bring the cake. It's
Every second, it's Groundhog Day, let's celebrate.
What a perfect night for snap around, don't you think, Chef?
Oh,
Let's warm this
absolutely.
crowd up. Let's do a little snap around. Okay, everyone here know what a snap around is? No. Okay, we'll learn. Ready? We'll start with me.
Yeah!
Wow,
Audience
good. We had way more problems the other night with our snap.
No kidding. Well, maybe it was alcohol.
All right, let's try again. Go the other way this time. Woo!
We are good. Okay.
All right, well,